Hi guys, welcome to Shields Cooking. Today is a new episode of the Friandise special and we're going to make some delicious and beautiful nougat. We're going to season the nougat with some honey and we're going to fill it with raspberry, hazelnut and almond. So please subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing Friandise videos. And for now, let's begin. First, transfer 150 grams of hazelnuts on a tray together with 250 grams of almonds. Toast them at 150 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes till golden. While that's toasting, pour 100 grams of honey in a saucepan together with 410 grams of sugar, 125 grams of water and 310 grams of glucose syrup. Now heat this up till the syrup is 126 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, pour 55 grams of egg white in a mixing bowl and start mixing when the sugar is 110 degrees Celsius. Once white foam starts to form, add 55 grams of sugar and continue beating it till it's a stiff meringue. Then slowly pour the hot sugar syrup on the meringue. When all the syrup is incorporated, stop beating and remove the whisk. Then add 55 grams of icing sugar and replace the whisk for a flat beater. Start by mixing it on a low speed till all the icing sugar is incorporated and then mix it on a high speed for 7 minutes. Beware that you need a decent stand mixer for this, because the nougat is pretty thick. After those 7 minutes, add 80 grams of freeze-dried raspberries and the hot toasted nuts. Mix it for 15 to 20 seconds on a low speed. Then transfer it onto a silicone sheet and use that sheet to knead the nougat well so all the filling is well divided. Now put another sheet on top and use a rolling pin to shape it. Then press the sides with a palette knife. Now put some edible paper on top, turn the nougat around and do it on that side as well. Let it cool down completely. Then wrap it with plastic wrap and let it set for at least 3 hours. After that, add a thin layer of oil on a bread knife and gently cut the nougat in long lines. Make long cuts to get the best result. Then portion it into the desired shape. You can keep the nougat for a long time if well stored. Just keep it dry and covered and you'll be fine. Okay guys, that's it for today. Like I already said yesterday and I'm gonna say it again tomorrow, I am really stoked about the result. Yeah, it's amazing. Let's just dig in. I always love nougat. You have soft nougat and hard nougat. This is, I guess, soft, but it still has a lot of texture. You can see I cut through it really nice. So that's the advantage of adding a little bit thin layer of oil on your knife. It's gonna make a big difference. So let's just dig in. Yes, that's incredible. Flavor is amazing. The raspberry is really nice. Still very sticky, so sorry about that. But you can taste the nuts, the honey, it just all comes together. And that's amazing. So, really happy with the result. Let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing Friandise videos, but also other cooking videos. And as always, bon appetit!